Howdy, folks. Bit of Tractor Man here. It's a wonderful first day of fall here, and I've recently been busy coming up with, various fixes, like for the front end here on these Sears Suburbans. I'm still engineering that one, how I plan on strengthening the current design if I can. Maybe it's not possible. Maybe it's not worth it. But anyway, I did come up with a fix. And back here, as many as you know, with the ones that the clutch attaches to the engine, there's the pulley and the arm and the whole system behind here. Now, if I come over here, I have one of these actually out of its home, and it sits on the engine. This is the engine over here, so it goes on the engine like this, like a so, and this sits like a so. So what I did, because this was all wore out here on the pivot and it was really loose, the previous owner had put a piece of copper pipe that was cut in there, and some sort of a other bushing that I believe is stainless steel, and they're quite thin and quite wore out, so it was very floppy and loose. So what I did is I made a brass bushing at work in the lathe, and the inside is 1/2 inch diameter, and the outside is 0.625. It's actually a little bit over that. Without measuring it, I do not remember, but it is pressed in, and then the inside was reamed out to 1/2 inch, and it is now nice and tight. These bushings are actually available to be bought online if you do find them. I do believe it is 1 inch in length for in there. So it would be 1 inch in length. It would be 0.500 inside diameter and 0.625 or slightly larger outside diameter. And that is my fix for the clutch on a Sears Suburban. Thanks for watching. Please comment, rate, and subscribe.